Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In this first and short video, we'll talk about what n8n is and the general benefits of using it. Understanding automation tools like n8n is key to boosting your productivity and simplifying your workflows. And now let's get started. In simple terms, n8n is a powerful open source automation tool that lets you connect different apps and services, even those that don't normally work together. Think of it as an all-in-one application that links multiple platforms like Google Sheets, Gmail, Slack, Asana, and many more, allowing them to work seamlessly together. One of the biggest advantages of n8n is that it's completely open source and free for personal use. You can install it on your computer, server, or use it via cloud services without any cost. This makes it incredibly accessible and flexible. With n8n, you can easily build automations to handle those repetitive and boring tasks that eat up your time every week. In this course, we'll explore a range of solutions from sophisticated AI-powered voice agents to building an entire army of agents that work for you around the clock. The beauty of n8n is that no coding skills are required. It uses a visual drag-and-drop interface where you build workflows by connecting nodes and setting up logic. Whether you're a beginner or someone with some technical background, you'll find it intuitive and straightforward. You can use n8n for personal projects or scale it up for business needs. You have the freedom to run it on your own hardware or through cloud platforms, keeping full control of your data and workflows. Imagine receiving an email with an attachment every day. n8n can automatically save that attachment to your Google Drive and notify you on Slack without you lifting a finger. Now imagine having multiple such automations running simultaneously. Think of all the time you'll save. Who uses n8n? Business owners looking to save time, freelancers and agencies automating client tasks, teams needing to connect various apps, and anyone wanting to learn valuable automation skills regardless of their experience. Learning n8n means you can work smarter, reduce errors, and even open new job or business opportunities. Many AI automation agencies are built around tools like n8n because it's powerful, affordable, and easy to use compared to other platforms. This course will guide you step by step through everything from basic automations to advanced AI-powered agents. I'll help you understand the concepts clearly and build workflows tailored to your needs. In the next video, we'll discuss the difference between automations, workflows, and agents. Make sure to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss any new videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.